ExpressVPN Netflix review. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how the ExpressVPN really works for Netflix, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now first of all, if you go ahead and then basically open up your Netflix and then you decide that you want to buy the ExpressVPN Premium, let's say, and you've been trying to figure out a couple of reviews in this case, then in this case all you have to do is ExpressVPN is actually a good choice for streaming Netflix because of its fast speeds, large server network, and ability to unblock region restricted content. ExpressVPN works with over 100 streaming platforms including Netflix, BBC, iPlayer, and Disney+. And just like any of the other VPN services, this also has its own pros and cons. The pros are that it has got a faster speed, large server network, and unblocks region restricted content, works with over 100 streaming platforms. The cons are that it is actually quite a bit expensive compared to similar VPNs, and no multi-hop options and no free subscription tie-up. So they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee though. So I hope that this video helped you clear the confusion as to which one is really good for you. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.